I get asked all the time about country living or acreage or things like that about Daytona Beach. And I know I talk a lot on my channel about Latitude Margaritaville, about beach living, subdivisions and HOAs, but I thought I would take a few moments, since I do get so many requests, and talk about homes with lots of land out in the country, yet only 20 minutes from the world's most famous beach. Come on, let's take a look at this gorgeous, unique home. From this home are some of the most amazing views you're going to find. It is so peaceful, so relaxing out here. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I'll take you around out back so you can see some of the farm animals they have here, and maybe we'll run into even some wildlife. This home currently is for sale. It is on the market as of this recording. So if you're interested, just go ahead and reach out to me. But if not, there's others in Daytona Beach area that are just as beautiful with a ton of land. And if you're looking for that peaceful type of living where you can go horseback riding, run your three-wheeler around your property, and maybe go fishing in your pond, something like this Daytona Beach has to offer also just for you. Could you imagine being out for the day, riding your three-wheeler, horseback riding, and coming home to all this? What a beautiful experience that would be. And this is just something else Daytona Beach has to offer. Now, technically I'm not in Daytona Beach. This is in New Smyrna Beach, but again, it's 20 minutes to the beach. I live in Pelican Bay. It took me about 15 minutes to get here this morning. It is still so centrally located, yet it is so nice and peaceful and quiet. You feel so secluded, yet your moments from all the activities that life has to offer. So if you're interested in moving or relocating to the Daytona Beach area, go ahead and give me a call, send me a text, or shoot me an email. Just know I got your back when moving to Central Florida. Till next time.